Hey, so what are we doing today, Bart?
You're changing this taillight.
Sweet.
Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place. As most know, taillights are required by state laws to travel on our open roads. Over time, the taillight may get damaged or just stop working. For these reasons, we want to equip you with the knowledge to replace these lights yourself. Won't take you but a few minutes of your time. Here are the tools you will need to complete this job. You'll need a screw gun with a number 2 square bit, wire strippers, bell caps, electrical tape, shop rags, isopropyl alcohol, adhesive remover, a razor knife, putty tape, caulk gun, and sealant, and last but not least, some good old rubber gloves.
Let's start by making sure that 7-way connector is disconnected from the tow vehicle so no 12-volt power is present. Now remove the lens to expose the base of the light. Here's something to pay attention to. This light is also the license plate light. This is very important to know when ordering the part. Now we'll remove the screws holding the light and then score the sealant around the perimeter to remove the base from the rear wall. Gently pull the base away from the wall to expose the electrical connections.
Now that the base is removed, pull the attached wire from inside the wall and cut as shown. Clean the area on the rear wall, removing your old putty and sealant in preparation for the new light. Next, prep the new light with butyl or putty tape on the back. Strip the wires back a ½ inch from the coach wires and the new light. Secure with bell caps in the same orientation as removed.
Before mounting the new tail light, plug the 7-way connector into the tow vehicle to check all the lights for function. If all is well, reattach the light to the rear wall, screw it in place, reinstall the cover, and seal the perimeter of the light.
Hey everybody, don't you think Matt did a great job? Let's give him a round of applause.
Oh my gosh. Bada bing, bada boom. You crushed it.
That's all there is to it. You have changed your tail light, saving you time and money. If you have any suggestions for another DIY video, hey, just drop us a line below. You know what to do.
You can also download the My Keystone app or visit KeystoneRV.com to see all of our content.